Hi, welcome to the Tasty Tiger. My name is Chef Cooper, and this is
Chef Brooklyn.
today we will be demonstrating how to make breaded seared pork loin.
So for our sauce, we'll need 2/2 cup of ketchup, one teaspoon of granulated garlic, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of honey.
And then for the breadcrumbs, we'll just be using some all-purpose flour. We have some eggs beaten already, and then this is Japanese panko breadcrumbs. So we'll just get started with that right away.
A pinch of salt and pepper.
So we'll just season these. Make sure you coat both sides. Nice and good. Then I'll do this one too. Now we will start with the breading. We'll first dip it in this all-purpose flour, coat it, then the egg wash, then we'll dip it in the panko breadcrumbs we have here. Put that in the pan so it's ready.
Some oil on it.
I'll wash my hands for it.
And then put that one in the plate. And then we'll also add some just olive oil around it. And that should be good. And then we'll start by turning on our burner on. And each side of that should about take 5 minutes on each side. Then I'm gonna wash my hands. Alright, then for our sauce, we're gonna start off with adding the ketchup. Then the granulated garlic. Dry mustard as well. Then the Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Then lastly, the 1 tablespoon of honey. Then mix that together. Kind of whisk it together until it's mixed fully. Then this sauce usually does have a sweet and tangy taste.
When you're cooking the pork loin, make sure you get both of them in as center of the pan as possible so they both cook evenly and all the way through.
Alright, then that's it for the for the sauce. And that's complete.
The panko breadcrumbs is from Japanese. It is more dry than normal breadcrumbs and is kind of more airy and light, so it won't be as greasy, and the breadcrumbs will make the pork crispier. Should be just about done on this side here, and then we'll give them a flip. There we go. Should always make sure your cooking area is clean. Check these here. Getting close.
And then over here, we're gonna do the chives and chop them nicely to add over it. Once the pork is done being cooked, we'll add the sauce over it, then the chives.
These pork loins are looking pretty close. They're just about done on the side now. Then we'll take them off and let them rest for a bit.
So then for the chives, we are going to want to gather them together and kind of dice them small so they aren't too big.
These should be good to get off the heat now.
Alright, then for the chives, that should be small enough. So we're going to move those over to the side.
Go ahead and take these off, set them on the cutting board. Both sides is good. And then for these, just gonna wanna get a glove on while we do this. Kinda hot. Just took them off the stove here. We'll get ready to cut them so we can plate them. Get them ready, put sauce on it. Nice and done, cooked all the way through.
Then we're going to move them over to the plating.
Get another glove on so we can use both hands.
And then next, we're going to add the sauce over top of it and kind of drizzle it. You don't want to add too much because the sauce can be a little bit overpowering. Just a little bit more.
Put these on. That should be good. Just add sauce on that now.
Just a teeny bit more.
Then, lastly, we will garnish with some chives, and we'll be good to go. All right.
That's how to make seared pork loin. Thanks for tuning in. Come back next time.